Make an introduction for them.
Who's
I
this?
forgot your first name.
Eddie.
Eddie.
Okay, Eddie.
Eddie, how did you meet my grandmother?
In the dining room.
You met her in the dining room. I'm so sorry.
My mother's here.
Okay.
So I go with her to eat, and then this lady came, Esther, hello, hello. You look like a schlep.
Wait a minute. She told you
The
this.
nerve. She don't know me from nobody. She says to me, you look like a schlep. You have all this long hair.
Yeah.
You look blah, blah, blah.
Look at her.
Yeah, so that's what she did.
You did say this.
But you didn't get it
Tell
salted.
your granddaughter you said it.
Look how nice you look
Yeah, you
now.
look nice because of you.
Because of me?
Because of you. I take your
See
advice.
See
You
that?
know what she's like? She's like my old Jewish grandmother I had.
Yeah.
Same thing, same way. We used to learn Yiddish. It was
Ah.
nice. She
No,
taught
he
me
got
Yiddish.
Where's
Jewish.
that little key?
My
So, I
father's
unlocked
side's
it.
Jewish.
Don't walk in front of the camera, please.
So I met your grandmother, and she's
Okay.
nice. We sit and eat lunch. My mother's over there now waiting for me.
Okay.
And we found out a lot of stuff about her
So-
and Parkchester and around.
So tell me, so what did you do after she called you a schlep?
I got mad. I was pissed off. I said, how dare you call me that? Who the hell you think you are?
I
He didn't say
understand.
that.
He did that.
I didn't say it to your face. I said it in my mind.
Oh, in his mind.
So I went home and I got a haircut.
But you thought, but wait, you thought about it,
Yeah, I
right?
thought about
And you
it.
said she's not so
She's
wrong.
right. Well, I was going to get a haircut anyway, but the timing. My mother usually cuts my hair.
I see.
No, no,
But
no.
she's here. Absolutely. She cuts my hair every...
So I said you get a decent haircut.
That's right. So I got a nice short one like you did.
Yeah.
My mother got. We
I
all
like
got
the
short
shirts.
haircuts. Yeah, the shirts. Well, the size is, I gained a lot of weight because of my diabetes and the medication I take.
Right.
So none of my clothes fit. So I looked in the closet because my mother said, well, you got a couple of shirts. I found this, I found another one.
Excellent.
So I'm working on it. Goodbye.
Nice to meet you,
Nice
Eddie.
meeting you,
Thank
Eddie.
See you later.
Okay, Eddie. See you later. Peter, come here.
What?